Hi and welcome to Penser Bank and our analyst presentation on Transtema. My name is Markus Almerud and I'm an analyst here at the bank. So Transtema installs, maintains and services communication networks such as mobile and fixed phone as well as fiber networks. We like the stock because it's kept delivering in an impressive way in a strategy and the growth potential is continuously huge. We have a fair value range of 53 to 55 Swedish krona and the share is at 35. So the reason for speaking today is to follow up after the capital raise, the settlement with GlobalConnect and the continuous spread between share price and EPS trend. So Transtema grows in three dimensions: adjacent product groups, geographies and customers. So last year they bought Testa in Norway, which in many ways was a transformational deal. That acquisition gave them a foothold in Norway. It gave a substantial exposure to Telenor as a customer and exposure to fixed network. GlobalConnect, which it did earlier this year, they broadened the offering in Norway, which now includes mobile. With around 40% market share, the company is leading in Norway within design, installation and upgrades on mobile network and in particular 5G networks. This acquisition will not provide any cost synergies, but will provide sales synergies. In short, Transtema has continued to deliver on its growth plan. So, in mid-February, Transtema settled two disputes that were scheduled for arbitration court in March and November 2023. The total claims were for 140 million Swedish krona and the settlement was for 35. So we think it's positive that Transtema was able to put the dispute behind them in a controlled manner. So the week after the settlement, a capital raise corresponding to around 4-5% of outstanding shares was announced. The capital raise brought in 63 million Swedish krona before cost, and the proceeds will increase the financial flexibility. In the raise, a number of institutional investors, including Swedbank Robur, Case Fonder and Cicero Fonder took part. So we see this increase, the increase of institutional investors as positive, and it's a confirmation that the market believes that Transtema is moving in the right direction. So the capital raise was made at 35 Swedish krona and the share is now trading in line with that level. But meanwhile, the gap between the share price and earnings is continuing. It's still there. There's a lot more to go for. The 5G installations continue. The amount of fiber put into the ground as a result of the copper network being closed down has accelerated. Momentum continues. PEs are a single level and EV/EBITDA is at 5 times. Watch this space. Thank you.